Assalamualaikum. Hello my dear lovely students. Hope you all are fine and you are safe. My dear students, you all are welcome to Ghare Boshe Shiki online page. I am here to take your class and it's especially for my lovely student of class 4. So dear student, let me introduce myself. This is Rupa Mollik Rupu, Assistant Teacher, II২৮ Government Primary Schools, Khagrachari. My dear students, at very first I like to sing a song with you. Okay? Dear learners, this song is from your English in Action and it's Look 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 song. Okay? Everybody, stand up. What do you see in the box? There is a rat, 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 rat. What's in the box? Look in the box. What can you see in the box? There is a rat, a rat in the box. That's what I see in the box. So, my dear students, hope you have enjoyed this song about a box and a rat. Dear learners, in our last class, we have discussed about animals. Do you guess it? About who is animal? Yes. We have discussed about a kangaroo and it was a rhyme. My dear students, in my today's part, I like to discuss with you again animals. Okay? Our today's lesson is animals. It's unit 29, lesson 4, 6 and page number 59. Please dear students, open your book, page number 59. Our today's lesson is animals. My dear students, in this lesson there is a big picture of animal and it's elephant. আমাদের এই অংশে একটি বড় ছবি রয়েছে, একটি হাতির ছবি. So look at this picture, dear students. What can you see here? It's an elephant. Okay? It is in a jungle and there is a tree and it's banana tree with banana in his nose. So, dear students, we have to discuss about this part. At very first, I like to discuss with you about some new words from this lesson. নতুন শব্দগুলো নিয়ে আলোচনা করছি. There is some word. First one is favorite. Dear students, what's it? Yes, favorite. Do you know what is the English meanings of favorite? Okay, the English meanings of favorite is dearest. Favorite, dearest. Dear students, do you know the Bengali meaning? Okay, the Bengali meaning of favorite is priyo অথবা পছন্দের. Favorite means dearest and it means priyo. Okay, now next word. What's it, dear students? Yes, strong. Strong. And the English meaning of strong is powerful. Strong, powerful. And do you guess the Bengali meaning? Okay, I have write it. The Bengali meanings of strong is shoktishali. So this is strong. Strong means powerful. powerful, and powerful means শক্তিশালী. Okay, next word. Dear students, what's it? It's gray. What's it, dear learners? Yes, gray. Do you know the English meanings? Okay, I have write it, and the English meanings is silver color. Gray, silver color. Okay, and the Bengali meanings of gray is ধূসর. ধূসর একটি রঙের নাম. So gray means, and its Bengali meanings ধূসর. So we have learned and we have find this word. These are favorite, strong, and gray. Okay, so dear learners, in your this lesson there is a simple part about an animal, and it's elephant. Now I like to discuss about this part, but at very first I like to play the audio about this part. আমাদের এই অংশের অডিওটি আমি প্লে করছি. Please look at your book and match it with the audio. শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, অডিওর সাথে তোমরা বইয়ে আঙ্গুল দিয়ে মিলিয়ে নিবে. This part, and I like to read it. Please listen to me attentively, dear students. The elephant is my favorite animal. It is big and grey. It has big ears. The elephant has helped people. It is strong. Dear students, the elephant is my favorite animal. এখানে বলা হয়েছে হাতি হলো আমার প্রিয় প্রাণী অথবা পছন্দের প্রাণী. It is big and grey. এটা অনেক বড় এবং ধূসর রঙের. এটা অনেক বড় এবং ধূসর রঙের. It has big ears. Look at its ear. It has big ear. নিশ্চয়ই তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ, আমি নির্দেশ করে দেখিয়েছি হাতির কান অনেক বড়. And this is its body, which is big and grey. The elephant helps people. হাতি লোকজনকে সাহায্য করে. It is strong. এটা অনেক শক্তিশালী. My dear students, hope you have understand this about an elephant. নিশ্চয়ই তোমরা হাতি সম্পর্কে লেখাটা বুঝতে পেরেছো. So dear students, now I like to discuss about something favorite. পছন্দের কিছু নিয়ে একটু আলোচনা করতে চাচ্ছি. My dear students, write about your favorite animal by answering the following questions. Think about it. Now, you have to try to write about your favorite animal. তোমার পছন্দের প্রাণী সম্পর্কে লেখার চেষ্টা করতে হবে. By answering the following question, আমি নিচে কিছু প্রশ্ন দিব, সেই প্রশ্নগুলোর উত্তর দেওয়ার মাধ্যমে. At first, think about it. একটু ভেবে দেখো তো. Which animal is your favorite animal? তোমার পছন্দের প্রাণী কোনটি? Okay, I like to show you the questions. আমি তোমাদেরকে প্রশ্নগুলো দেখাচ্ছি. First question, which does it call? What does it call? এটাকে কি বলে ডাকো? Number 3, where does it live? এটা কোথায় বাস করে? And what does it eat? এটা কি খায়? নিশ্চয়ই ভেবে নিয়েছো about your favorite animal? So dear learners, if you write it, I can't see you. তোমরা যদি লেখো আমি কিন্তু তোমাদের দেখতে পাচ্ছি না বা দেখতে পাবো না। So I like to write about my favorite animal. Okay? আমি আমার পছন্দের প্রাণী সম্পর্কে লিখছি and look at the whiteboard, dear learners. তোমরা whiteboard-এর দিকে তাকাও। Dear learners, now I like to write about my favorite animal, and my favorite animal is a cat. Okay? Dear learners, first question was, which animal do you like? So I have a favorite animal, and it's a cat. Next question, what does it call? What does it call? I call it, sorry, we called it as Minnie. We called it as Minnie. Then where does it live? It lives at my home. It lives at my home. Then next question, what does it eat? What does it eat? So it likes to eat boiled milk, and fried fish. My dear students, I have write about my favorite animal, and it's a cat. So I write that I have a favorite animal, and it's a cat. We called it as Minnie. It lives at my home. It likes to eat boiled milk and fried fish. I hope you have understood about my favorite animal. And now I paragraph about your favorite animal. নিশ্চয় তুমি আমার মতো করে তোমার প্রিয় প্রাণী সম্পর্কেও লিখতে পারবে। Dear students, now look at your book. It's activity B. Okay, let's go to your book, textbook, activity B. চলো আমরা activity B সম্পর্কে একটু পড়ে দেখি। My dear students, here is activity B. Prepare to write about your favorite animal. Answer the questions in your exercise book. এখানে বলা হয়েছে তুমি তোমার প্রিয় প্রাণী সম্পর্কে লেখার জন্য প্রস্তুত হও এবং নিচে যে প্রশ্নগুলো করা আছে সেই প্রশ্নগুলো অনুযায়ী তুমি তোমার প্যারাগ্রাফটি লিখবে, তোমার খাতায় লিখবে। Here is 4 questions. 4টি প্রশ্ন রয়েছে। First one, what is your favorite animal? What is your favorite animal? তোমার পছন্দের বা তোমার প্রিয় প্রাণী কোনটি? Color is it. What color is it? এটার রং কি? Then what size is it? এটা সাইজ কেমন? বড় না ছোট? লম্বা না খাটো? Describe one body part of the তোমার পছন্দের প্রাণীর বডির আলোচনা করো। Okay, so now I like to discuss about the answer of these questions. আমি এই প্রশ্নগুলোর উত্তর আলোচনা করতে যাচ্ছি। By answering this question, you can write a paragraph about animal. Okay. First question: what is your favorite animal? You can write, "A cat is my favorite animal." Then number 2, what color is it? Donkey. Okay, you have to write, it is black and white in color. Then what size is it? Small in size. Then describe one body part of the animal. So you can write, it has 4 legs. It walks at camels and giraffe. এই প্রাণীটির 4টি পা রয়েছে এবং এই প্রাণীটি ক্যামেল, উট এবং জিরাফের মতো করে হাঁটে। You can write this in this way. এইভাবেও লিখতে পারবে। So I hope, my dear students, you can learn this about your favorite animal. Now I like to discuss about one word. Dear students, today I select a word as today's one word, and this word is grey. Okay, everybody repeat after me. Grey. Dear students, now I have to spell it and you have to spell after me. Okay, G-R-E-Y, grey. Again, G-R-E-Y, grey. Do you know the Bengali meanings? Of course you know, because we have discussed before about it. It's dhushur. Grey means dhushur. So dear learners, write a sentence about this word. এই শব্দটি দিয়ে আমি একটি বাক্য লিখেছি, and the sentence is, a large grey cat was asleep. A large grey cat was asleep. Okay, so dear students, now I like to give you a home task. Okay, dear learners, in your textbook here is activity C. Look at your textbook. Here is activity C. Write a paragraph about your favorite animal in your exercise book. Use your answer to the questions in activity B. শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, বলা হয়েছে তোমার প্রিয় প্রাণী সম্পর্কে তোমার খাতায় একটি প্যারাগ্রাফ লিখবে, আর সেই প্যারাগ্রাফটি কোন প্রশ্নগুলোর উত্তরের মাধ্যমে লিখবে? Look at your book, activity B, from these questions. Or use by answering this question, you have to write a paragraph about your favorite animal. Okay, I have write a paragraph about my favorite animal, and you have to write about your favorite animal. So my dear learners, what have we learned today? What have we learned today? Can you guess? Yes, today we have learned about an animal, and it was an elephant. Okay, I have discussed that an elephant is grey in color, it has big ears, and it's big in size. It helps the people, and an elephant is so strong. Dear students, then I write a paragraph about my favorite animal, and it was a cat. I hope you all can write a paragraph about your favorite pet animal. So dear learners, please do this home tasks at your home. Okay, read this lesson again and write this paragraph by answering activity B. I will appearing before you with another important part from your English for Today textbook. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and stay with ঘরে বসে শিখি online page. Allah Hafiz, my dear students. Goodbye.